Hey guys, welcome back. This time we're going to be talking about the exterior angle theorem. Alright, we're going to start with a triangle, ABC. And we're going to extend one side out past point D here. Now what the exterior angle theorem says is that the sum of the remote interior angles, which in this case would be A and B, if you add them together you will get your exterior angle. They will be the same. Alright, but we want to go ahead and prove this. So we're going to start with angle A. We're going to use M, which means measure. So we have the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B. It's this one and this one. We're going to add this one, the measure of angle ACB. Those are all three angles in our triangle. Now we know that they add up to 180 degrees. Okay? Now, what we know about a straight angle, so going from AC to D, that's a straight angle, that's also 180 degrees. So we're going to add angle ACB plus the exterior angle DCB and that is also going to be 180 degrees. So we're going to set this up into one equation. Okay, since they both equal 180, we don't need that anymore. We're just going to set this equal to this. Alright? So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to move this. Now it's set up into one equation. Alright? Now, since I know that measure of angle ACB is in both sides, they're going to cancel each other out. So, those can go away, and all I'm left with is the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B equals the measure of angle DCB. What that tells me is that this angle plus this angle equals my exterior. Okay? That's exactly what the exterior angle theorem says. Okay? So, because this angle inside is shared in both the triangle and the straight angle, the sum of these two has to equal my exterior. Okay? Let's use an example. We're going to say angle A measures 50 degrees. Angle B is going to measure 60 degrees. And we want to find the measure of our exterior angle. Okay? So since we know that our triangle is 180 degrees, we're going to subtract the sum of these two to find out what this angle in here is. That one. So we add these two together, 60 plus 50 is 180 minus 110. That leaves us with 70 degrees. So our interior angle here at BCA or ACB, whichever one you choose, is 70 degrees. And since we know this exterior angle plus that angle gives us 180. We'll say 180 minus 70 degrees is 110. There we go. So this exterior angle is 110 degrees. Well, as we saw before, angle B and angle A add up to 110 degrees. So we can save us a step if we just apply the exterior angle theorem. We said 50 plus 60 equals 110. That automatically gives us our exterior angle. Okay? So a quick, easy way to set this up every time is just create a series of blanks. we know that two things are going to add up to equal 1. Okay, since the exterior angle is, of course, by himself, that's the one that goes here. Our two remote interior angles will go in these blanks. Now, why do we call them remote interior angles? Well, the word remote means far away. Okay, it's where we get remote control from. You can control your TV from far away. And interior, of course, is inside the triangle. So, since we're talking about this exterior angle out here, the local angle is there at C. Okay, so we don't want that one. We want the ones that are far away. We want B and A. Alright, and that's what we have here. So, if A is 50 and B is 60, then our exterior angle has to be 110. So if you use this setup and you know what the blanks refer to, alright, you can use this every single time no matter what is there. Okay? So these can be algebraic expressions, they can be just regular numbers. Alright, but as long as you set it up correctly, you can find the answer every single time. Okay? Hope that helps. If you have any questions, please let me know.